Okay, good. I'm back. So you have your palms that you cut off of your palm tree, and you don't need a lot of them or anything like that. And what you do is, depending on how many now, um, there we are. So we have these palms, and so you go along the bottom and you just sort of trim out. You trim out the stem if you've taken a whole stem or just the little part that you had, and you get sort of left with this accordion thing of palms. And after that, it's really easy because all you do is you just peel it. So you see right there, sort of like up and down, and you just find it and you just strip out the accordion fold, and you get them as big as you want. Usually like that's good. Okay, these are smaller ones. For the bigger ones, you can, get two or one. This one's kind of small. So we just do it like that. And if you have one of those great big Mexican fan palms, it's really nice. You can continue peeling out your palms. Yeah, that's a good one there. Just like that. And you just peel them. You get them like two at a time, and peel and peel and peel. One fan from a big Mexican fan palm will make like 30 palms. And so this one's a kind of small one. But if you notice, look at that. You got a whole bunch of palms to wave on Palm Sunday. And that is just something to make it feel more regular than usual. One of the other things I'll show you is in Sunday school, sometimes we make these palm crosses. Really easy to make. Just get one of your palms. You loop them over like you're making a bow. You loop it. Okay. You get another one. And you loop it. Like that. You put them together and look, you got a cross. And then you get one of these nifty skinny ones that are left over. Peel it. And then you just sort of wrap it around in the middle. Go around the corner, over the top. So sometimes they want to escape. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. There we go. So you just wrap it around and around and around. And then in the back, you can see you kind of tuck that flap in like that. Okay. And there you go. You got a nifty little palm cross. Although this one I made was kind of lopsided, but I'm sure if you do it at home, you can make it a lot nicer. And that's a way to save your palms. So whether you make these kind of palms or these kind of palms, it's very easy with your palm tree, and you don't have to kill your palm tree. You just trim one of the branches off. So Hosanna, and I hope that you have wonderful palms for Palm Sunday. Thank you.